Let's take a look at the Beurer IH21 Nebuliser, your high-performance family-friendly device for respiratory care. In the box you'll find an instruction booklet, a nebulizer unit, an extra long air hose, a medical container, a mouthpiece, nose piece, adult and child mask, and spare filters. Just an important tip, but never use thick liquids like Vicks or oils. They'll clog and damage the nebulizer. Stick to saline solutions or doctor-approved inhalation fluids with a water-like consistency. This is a medical-grade device using compressed air technology to deliver fast, effective relief for your upper and lower airways. Whether you're managing asthma, sinus infection, or even just preventing a cold. Just plug the hose into the unit, and on the other side, you can attach the medicine container. Also, just check that it is connected correctly. Otherwise, no steam will come out. Thanks to the high nebulization rate of 0.3 milliliters per minute, treatment is quick and efficient. It's ideal for adults, children, and even babies with the optional baby mask. If you open the top, you'll see a little plastic part in the middle. This is the atomizer. This is one of the most important parts of the nebulizer. Without this little plastic, the nebulizer won't make steam that is supposed to come out at the top. Also remember to only use the recommended amount of water. Otherwise, it also will not make any steam. The different attachments fit onto the medicine container. Remember to connect them thoroughly. It's compact, easy to disinfect, and comes with a little built-in storage compartment to keep everything together. And that's your Beurer IH21 compact, powerful, and built with trust German engineering since 1919. Breathe better, feel better with Beurer.